Good morning. A little bit of a late start, 9:34 a.m., December 20th. Let me turn on my bot. Actually, I don't want to. The heck. Ninja Trader's having a little bit of a freak out, so bear with me a sec. All I did was try to move that drawing chart, so that was weird. Let's try this again. Okie doke. Now, can I just move this? I just want to move this. Is that okay, Ninja Trader? So just marking the highs and lows of yesterday's session, as well as some Fibonacci retracement levels and extension levels.
Order submitted. Order filled.
So what we had here was first of all, got an uptrend. Not the cleanest of uptrends I've ever seen, but an uptrend nonetheless. And then we had a new high. We had a pullback to the ribbon and the oversold. Is there some news right now? What the heck? The 20th. Oh, there is consumer confidence at 10, so we'll have to be worried about that. It's about 22 minutes from now. Let's see how this trade plays out.
Stop filled.
It's just too erratic, so I just grabbed 3 ticks or locked in 3 ticks. Wonder what this was about. This big move down. Very bipolar market here. It's trending up, but it has a lot of red candles in there too. This didn't make it back to the oversold, so that's not an entry. Could end up with a giant, excuse me, a giant head and shoulders formation here. Just on a bigger picture. Need a pullback. Simply need a pullback. Straight up.
Order submitted. Order filled.
We got 15 minutes until the news, so need to close out this trade manually if it takes too long.
Stop filled.
Okay. I just wanted to lock that in before we get too close to the news here. We'll keep watching what's going to happen, but when that news hits, you guys are going to see this price action is going to be so fast, completely untradeable. Actually, I'm going to take a break from the screen, go grab myself a coffee, and I'll be back before the fireworks at 10. If you're just joining, we're waiting on news in 9 minutes, the consumer confidence. So I'll be right back. Okay, it's 10 o'clock. There's the news. Not too crazy. Let's give it a couple minutes. Got myself a latte.
Order
That's a
submitted.
good setup. I'm not going to skip it if it triggers.
Order filled. Stop filled.
The only reason I trailed my stop right there is because we're coming into yesterday's high of day. And price already rejected once. So it was a little bit sketchy to be taking a long right into the previous high of day, which had already been rejected. It was support a couple of times and then broke through, and now it's acting as resistance. So I felt a little bit worried about taking a long right there, but I thought there was enough distance. But that's why I trailed my stop aggressively. Not sure if it would have went the full 30 ticks. $20.25 plus 7.5 is $27.75. Would have just barely gone far enough to hit my target. That's all right. I grabbed 9 ticks. So actually, no. Grabbed 13 ticks. Not bad. It's been a long uptrend. Looks like it might be losing steam a little bit. Although I'm certainly not going to take any shorts yet, unless we see some price action like that where it's just going straight down. Definitely some nice trades during that swing. And that's exactly what this strategy is all about, waiting for price action that is extremely clear. Like here, and here. Every time we came back to the ribbon, it rejected and went lower. Every time we came back to the ribbon, it rejected and it bounced and went higher until we got towards possibly the end of the trend. So we need to see a higher high just to confirm that the trend is still going. Here we go. Higher high. Trend is still in place. If we get a nice pullback here, be ready to go. Oh, good morning, Randolph. Thanks for popping in. If you get a down close here, that should close it below the oversold. It's very tempting just to buy. It's such a strong trend. But that would be against the rules, so I won't do that.
Order submitted.
There we go. So the indicator went to oversold below the 5 line. Again, this is a proprietary indicator. So if you get the free trial from My Trading IQ, you'll get 5 days of the indicator on TradingView. And I happen to have a friend who's been doing this kind of trading for 7 or 8 years, and he he gave me his indicator. Hey, what?
Order canceled.
Sometimes the bot does weird things like that. Let me
Order
see.
submitted.
Doggone it. You guys saw that, right? You guys, all one person watching this live stream saw that. That was really weird. So that this little automatic buy bot thing does that sometimes. That really sucks because that would have been in the green already. 37.75. It would not have yet hit the target, so let's see if we can get in.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Okay, so just got a single tick. Yeah, that was weird, Randwolf. This is some code, some Ninja script code that I got from a friend of mine who got it from a friend of his. And I don't know. It's he says it never has any trouble when he's using it in the real live market with real orders. He's obviously a professional trader. Well, maybe that's not obvious, but my friend, patient trader, is a professional trader. He's been consistently profitable for 7 or 8 years. He makes a very nice living trading the NQ, just like this. So when he's using this little bot that his friend coded for him in the live market, he says it always works perfectly. But I'm in a demo account, so maybe that has something to do with it. I'm not really sure, but regardless, sometimes it does that. It just like jumped instead of. It should have just left the buy stop order right there, and then, I mean, it would have been the same result because I would have trailed my stop up. Maybe I would have trailed it up a lot more and gotten like 4 or 8 ticks or 12 ticks, but oh well. We all one of us saw that, says Randwolf. I like that avatar. That's pretty sweet. See if we get one more trade set up. But if I don't get another trade set up in the next 10, 15 minutes, I'll just go ahead and close out the stream. Don't want these live streams. I don't want the recordings to be too much longer than 45 minutes or so. What I want is for the price to just rip downwards like really strongly so I can get like 3 winning trades in 10 minutes. That would be sweet. Don't think it's going to happen. The markets before the holidays, pretty boring. Does seem like this trend is trying its best to die. There was a time where we weren't getting any pullbacks below the ribbon and that black line. Then we got a little bit deeper, another little bit deeper. See what this pullback is going to do. I believe I shut off the stream with about minus 240 or minus 270 something yesterday. I kept trading, of course, and I ended up having a positive day, green day, to the tune of about $200. So I considered that a nice win. Up 125. I think we've done 3 trades, maybe 4 trades. 4 trades. So about $15 or $16 in commissions. So up a little bit more than $100. And it's going higher. Surprise, surprise. Just a little bit. Been trailing my stop a lot today, and so far it's been working against me. That guy I told you about, the My Trader IQ guy, Michael, who's been doing this for 11 years now, he always trails his stop. So as soon as it gets 8 ticks in his favor, he trails his stop to break even, and then he keeps trailing it up from there. I've been sort of doing my own thing, and lately, except for today, I've been just leaving my target at 30 and my stop at 30, not doing any trailing. That's why it's called no trail here. And today I just felt like trailing my stop, and it's been, like I said, it's been working against me. This would have been a full winner. This would have been a full winner. This would have been a full winner. 20, so 12, 1270, no, 1270. Yeah, 1275. So this would have not stopped me out, and that would have been a full winner. And now this trade also would have been a full winner. So it would have been 4 full winners if I had stuck to my strategy of just leaving the stop and target alone, as opposed to trailing, which is kind of explains why I switched to that different strategy versus
Order
what Michael
submitted.
does.
Order canceled.
Okay, let me skip that because it didn't pull back all the way to the oversold. I just got jumped the gun a little bit there. And I need a little bit deeper of a pullback to get to the oversold and or touch the ribbon. There we go.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Looks like I got a single tick of slippage there. That's okay. Yes. Yeah, I cannot disagree with that. There is definitely something to be said for managing that risk and moving that stop once, trailing it once you get plus 8 ticks or more. Sometimes it prevents a full loser, but other times it prevents a full winner. So, it's a double-edged sword. I think I'll just let this one play out. Unless it makes a double top, then I might have to trail my stop up. So that would have taken out my trailing stop. Let's see what happens now. They love to do that. They love to take it 8 ticks, 9 ticks, 10 ticks in your favor, come all the way back to your entry, take you out, and then go. Which is why I switched to that strategy of just leaving the target where it goes, leaving the stop where it goes, not touching anything, sitting on my hands, punching myself in the face, pulling out my hair. Come on, baby. Don't do that. Don't do me that way. 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 Come on. Come on. Is it just me? Does this sort of thing only happen to me, or do all traders experience this kind of BS right here? Like, how frustrating is that? You can't go one more tick and fill my goddamn stop target order.
Target
There we
filled.
go. Woohoo! All right, I'm gonna end the stream there. 47, 48 minutes into it. Thanks for popping in here, Randwolf and Travis. Appreciate you guys. And I'll be back again tomorrow. Plus 275. Not bad. Have a good day.